Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we will learn how we can do mining using our laptop. Now you must be wondering whether I am talking about Bitcoin mining. So I am not talking about Bitcoin mining in this video right now. For that, I will bring a video now that how you can do Bitcoin mining in your laptop. In this video, I am talking about Monero IE XMR token, which you can mine on your laptop. So how to mine it? Let's see. Monero.org is its website. Now here they have explained their product very well. Why is it like this? So Monero means that it is private. Decentralized cryptocurrency that keeps your finances confidential and secure. So this is a big claim that your finances are being kept confidential and secure. And truly, it means that if you see the cryptocurrency is private and decentralized, then it is no arrow. Okay? Now what happens in this is that you have to download a wallet. You have to download a no arrow wallet. And inside it, not only you can store your cryptocurrency, you can buy and sell it, but you can also mine it. Okay? Now, to mine Bitcoin, you need a big mine, a large space, more electricity, a dedicated warehouse. You don't need so many things to mine it. It can be mined on a laptop as well. Provided your laptop should be a little fast, and as you start mining, it will slow down a little. You will have to adjust that. Okay? So look at the scenario, and if you see the nodes that are put on laptops increase their security because the number of nodes increases. Hey, if you have seen my blockchain video, then you will know why the importance of nodes is more in security, okay? So let's move ahead. Now here it is explaining that it will be decentralized, meaning no one will be able to track your transactions. These are all the things. Now let's see how to use it. So to use it, we come to downloads. Now in downloads, you can download according to the system you have, Windows or Linux, or you can download according to that. Okay, after downloading, you will say, now we will go to next. Okay, I accept the terms next. Okay, and it will tell where the file is being stored. Okay, create a desktop icon, install it. Okay, so we have Golden installed. Now I have Golden Wallet. Have you installed it okay? So as soon as you install it and open it, you will first see a screen like this, okay? Now there is mode selection in it. Now what I was talking about, not just wallet, you can also do mining. So that happens from here. Okay? Now here is simple mode. So in simple mode, you can only do sending and receiving, meaning you can send and receive your cryptocurrency. This will have basic functionality because this is simple mode. Then simple mode bootstrap. See, in this basic functionality will be there and the blockchain will be downloaded on your computer. Now you don't be afraid that, brother, how such a big blockchain will come on our computer. See, 1/3 data of blockchain comes. Now yes, obviously it is big, but comparatively small if you compare it with other miners, and then see the advanced mode. Okay, in advanced mode you can also do mining, message verification, etc. can be done. Okay, portable mode is such that you can use the same account on your phone as well. So for now we will move on to advanced mode. Okay, now as soon as you click on advanced mode, you will be shown an option in which create a new wallet from hardware, open wallet from 5. This is all. So we will go to create new wallet. Okay, now here we write CryptoMudra. Okay, let's double it. Now in this way, a wallet named CryptoMudra will be created and its location will be lost here. Now we go next. Now we copy it because we will need it in the next step and paste it here. Now after pasting, we will say yes, restore height. This is also important, restore height. Okay? So this as well, and creation date as well. Okay? You need either creation date or restore height when you mean suppose this wallet got deleted and you are recovering this wallet again from somewhere else. Okay? So along with this 25 word, both these things are also necessary. Now we will say next. Now on next it is asking because I have saved it here. So after loudly, there are tactics. Okay? Now we will copy paste tactics. What is next? After huge, then Smith. So we will copy paste this nef. After that, there is upper after business. Okay? So we will copy paste it. After that, what is at number 18, i.e. after wolf? There is a copy after wolf. So we can copy paste that as well. And the last one is cucumber. We will copy paste that cucumber. Okay? So it asks for this so that Monero can make sure that you have saved the recovery phase, the recovery phases, the seeds properly. Now let's go to next. Okay? Now we will enter our password here. Okay? After entering the password, we will confirm that password. Okay? In this way, we have confirmed the password matched. Now we will do next. Okay, now the prone blockchain default or where to store it will take its default address. You can do all this on remote node. You can connect, however, for now we will do next. Okay, and then we will create wallet. Now again, it will ask for the same password which we had entered in the previous stuff. So we will enter that password once and click OK. Okay, now our wallet has opened. Now the wallet is connecting today. Now see, here use custom settings. We don't do this custom setting. It will automatically start the local node in a second. So it started the local node in a second. Okay? Now look here. Here the block day 1 block remaining is coming to 0. Now it will sync. Remember what we said, that it will download 1 blockchain. Okay? So it will download the same thing, it is starting to synchronize. It will connect the network slowly. It will download everything. That is, it will download everything. After downloading, once it is synchronized, it will be synchronized. Then you can do mining from here. Okay? Now here it is saying that first it should be synchronized to start mining. Okay, so here you can also do solo, P2P solo. Now see one thing here, okay? Here it is showing how many CPU threads are to be used. If you make it full, then it will take up the entire capacity of your CPU and the system will not run that fast. So this is that you can use half the minimum or even less and come here in mining. Of course, it can reduce the performance of other running applications. I have already told you this, okay? And background mining is experimental. So what will happen now is that once it gets synchronized, like look here now, how much is this? Ones, 1 lakh, 10,000, 1 million, 32 lakh, 9,110. All right? So many blogs are yet to be downloaded. So once all these blogs are done and our wallet gets synchronized, all right? So we will set the CPU threads number here and then click on background mining and then click on start mining. So we can do some other work and it will keep mining in the background. In case we mean this is experimental right now, there may be some error or issue. Then what we will do is we will remove it and start mining again. And in that we will have to keep this particular interface open. So according to this, you can do mining in your own wallet. You can do it in your own laptop. And you can become a part of the world's first real cryptocurrency whose name is XMR. Okay. With this, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks. Bye-bye.